Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel, Great Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can stop your computer or your OneDrive from syncing into your computer and all of your data. It's a really easy process, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video. First of all you have to do is download the actual app of OneDrive. To do so, simply go onto Google Chrome browser and search for OneDrive. And after searching for OneDrive, you can simply see that all of these options appear. From here, go on to the download option and now just download the app. This will not download the actual app but the setup.exe for the app. And after it is downloaded, you can see that it has already been downloaded. Simply open this up and now download the actual app. And after downloading the app, log into your OneDrive account and set up all of these that you need to do so. And after that, go on and open up your file explorer. And after you have completed the OneDrive setup, if you open up your file explorer on your computer, you can see that a OneDrive personnel type of folder will be created. After that, go onto your folder and simply right click it and go on to settings. After going on to settings, go on to sync and backup. Now to actually turn off or automatically turn off all of the data syncing in your OneDrive to your computer, simply turn off all of these features that I'm showing on this video. Right now it is already turned off. If it is on your laptop or your PC, you can turn this off and the automatic syncing of all of your data will turn off as well. And this was for this video, and that is how you can turn off sync on your laptop or your PC of OneDrive. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.